Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 40-inch Sony LED TV with sound okay, no picture problem. While checking with the LED checker we found that backlight is okay. Here actually the complaint is with the inverter section in the motherboard, so here we are going to modify the backlight wiring for installing universal backlight driver board. Here in both left and right there are 5 LED strips respectively, total 10 LED strips, so to reduce voltage and make them single LED strip we are going to connect both left and right in parallel connection by wiring. After that we need to serial these strips. See, now wiring is done. Here now each the work done. See friends, finally we are going to fix the CA-288 backlight double coil universal driver board. For that here we connected the backlight on 19 volt input VCC, ground connection etc. See friends, now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.